What the hell is even that?
What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make a delicious lemon butter chicken, or it's called Chicken Francese. So it's like a French style chicken, and I'm just gonna show you how. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 beaten eggs, 3 chicken breasts, lemon pepper, 6 teaspoons of butter, 3 garlic cloves, 2 lemons, half a cup of white wine, a bunch of parsley, black pepper, salt, 1 cup of chicken broth. And we don't want to use this big fat piece, so what we're going to do is we're going to fillet it. And that's what you want. So I went ahead and I filleted my 3 breasts, and now I'm going to beat my meat. This is what it looks like. See how thin it is? It's pretty thin. So what we're going to do now is season our egg, and we're going to season our flour. You want to season everything. Remember, the most important thing is flavor, flavor, flavor. So a little bit of salt, so pepper and salt on both. Not a lot, but you do want to season. Okay, and here we go. You got I add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese to the egg and mix it all up, and that would just give it some fabulous flavor. So the reason that we beat our meat is so that it tenderizes. As you hit it, as you can see, this piece right here is a little bit thicker than this. This is filleted, it's ready to go. It's nice and tender. And now you're gonna hit it with the egg and then the flour. Now we're gonna cut a little bit of our parsley to add it to the egg. Now we're gonna add some lemon pepper to our chicken. Remember I said season everything? I mean it, because you get a lot of flavor out of this. Make sure you get both sides. Two tablespoons of butter. Okay, so I have my pan about medium high. You don't want it too high because you don't want to burn the meat. So you're going to try and get a golden brown all over the meat, and it's going to be 5 minutes per side. What we're going to do is leave them there for 5 minutes and turn them over for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to flip it over. You see how nice and golden that is? Beautiful. And while the chicken's cooking, you can do this right here. Let's mince the garlic. So now we're going to cut our parsley, because we're going to add this to our sauce with the wine and garlic and lemon and chicken stock. Okay, now we're going to plate this while we make our sauce, and then we're going to put this back into the sauce, and we're going to cook the rest of our other 2 pieces. So repeat the process. So now a lot of people they ask, how do you know if the chicken is done? And it usually takes about 5 minutes for each side, especially when it's thin. But if you have any doubts, cut into it on the fattest part, and just look inside the meat right here. You see how it's white? That means it's cooked and it's ready to go. And remember, we're going to put it back in our sauce for another 3 minutes, and that's even going to help it cook just a little bit more. And you see how the pan is right here? It looks a little brown. So what we're going to do is, you're not going to clean this because that's all flavor. What we're going to do is we're going to deglaze. And what that means is just we're going to put our chicken stock, 1 cup, right? And now we're going to put our white wine, and we're going to cook that until the alcohol evaporates. So that'll take about a minute or 2. So now we're going to add our half a lemon, and I think that's just about right. And now we're going to put our parsley in there. And our garlic. And let all that marinate, all those flavors, and just mix it up. Remember what we're doing? We're letting the alcohol evaporate. Okay, so the alcohol evaporated now. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Remember, this is butter sauce with white wine. So as soon as the butter melts, then we're going to add our chicken back into it and get all those flavors. So I got 3 lemons cut right here. We're going to add them up for more flavor. So I just tasted my sauce, and I'm just going to add a little salt just for a little bit more flavoring. Remember, that's up to you. Now we're going to add our chicken back in there to get all that flavor. So what we're going to do right here, now when we got our sauce going, is bring the flame back down, and we're going to leave it here for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Get in my belly!
Buttery, lemony, delicious. And now for my favorite part, the taste. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.